Hello everyone, welcome back to Conquer Pathology with Dr. P. Today we aren't just studying a chapter, we are studying the emperor of all maladies. Neoplasia is the ultimate challenge in medicine. It's where our own cells turn against us. This chapter is the heart of systemic pathology. If you understand neoplasia, you understand how the body breaks its own rules. By the end of this lecture, you won't just know the definitions, you'll understand the molecular why behind every cancer you see in the wards. We'll be following the NMC CBME Competencies strictly, integrating clinical medicine, surgery, and pharmacology. So you are not just passing exams but becoming a great clinician. Grab your Robbins, your colored pens, and let's dive in. Part 1. Introduction. What is neoplasia? Sir Rupert Willis said it best, and you must know this. A neoplasm is an abnormal mass of tissue, the growth of which exceeds and is uncoordinated with that of the normal tissue and persists in the same excessive manner after cessation of the stimuli which evoke the change.
I'll leave it for Dr. P to simplify this definition. Toodles!
Thank you, Sir Rupert Willis. Think of a normal cell like a disciplined soldier. Neoplasia is like a soldier who goes rogue, stops listening to the captain, starts multiplying uncontrollably, and even recruits others to join his rebellion. Part 2. The anatomy of a tumor. Every tumor has two departments. The parenchyma, these are the actual neoplastic cells. They determine how the tumor behaves and what it's called. The stroma. It is the supporting cast. This includes connective tissue, blood vessels, and inflammatory cells. Desmoplasia. Some tumors, like breast cancer, stimulate the stroma to produce massive amounts of collagen. This makes the tumor stony hard or serous.